Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are visiting first time to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concept Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let us see the definition. So here Vlookup means vertical lookup. It is a function, that means Vlookup is a Excel function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. Okay, so now let us see in Excel. The meaning of this one is here, for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. Okay, here 6 columns are there. In the 6 columns, suppose here I have given 104 faculty ID. So what happens if I give 104 means it has to display all the details of 104 ID. Okay, the meaning of Vlookup is vertical lookup. That means in this column, if I am giving this value, means it has to provide the different columns. That means here faculty ID I am giving, but with this it has to provide that faculty ID department and that faculty name, the address of that faculty and salary of that faculty and phone number of that faculty. But here the row is same. You observe here 104 means if I give 104 means it has to display social, same row, Sheriff Sir, Hyderabad, salary and phone number. That means if I give one value in one column, it has to give the different columns values. See here, this is different department, it has to provide faculty, it has to provide here address. That means different column values it has to provide here. So that is the meaning of, so this one, see here, it is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column. That means certain value in a column. Here there we are giving 104 in order to return a value from a different column. That means, so there we are giving 104 means it has to give the different column, that means department, it has to give the different column value, that is called as phone number and salary of the same row. See here, same row means, see here, so here I am giving 104 means different column value means here faculty ID is the 104, different column value means department means it's a different column, social it has to provide, and this is faculty name, this is a different column, but the row is same. 104 means social, Sheriff Sir, Hyderabad, salary, this is same. So that is the meaning of Vlookup. Whenever we have like this, we have to go for the Vlookup. Now let us see how it will get. For example, here you observe 8 members are there. In that 8 members, for example, I want, so rule number, sorry, faculty ID, suppose I have said 102. 102 means, yes, we can easily find out. Why? Because here only 8 members data is there. So 102 means, yes, I can easily say that science, Sirisha ma'am, Hyderabad, salary and phone number like this. But if we have the data very much like, so not only 8 members, for example 200, 300, 400, at that time it is not that easy to search the data. It is not that easy to search that data. So at that time we have to go for the Vlookup function in Excel. So how it will works, let us see. For example, see here, here I want to give only faculty ID here. So whenever I give the faculty ID here in this cell, it should automatically display all the details. Okay, how it will be, see here, for example, see here department. So now I am giving the Vlookup function formula. So for any formula in Excel, we have to give the equal sign first. After that, press V. Lookup means L. So whenever you give L, automatically it will come Vlookup. So no need of typing completely, just press tab button. So automatically with the open bracket it will come. Here, so wherever we are giving the value, we have to, so here faculty ID we are giving in here. So after that, just click here in this box. See here, automatically it came. After that, see here, after that, so we have to give the comma, and so from where we are taking the values, from all these values. That's why select from here to here all values. But remember, so we should not select these headings, only values we have to select. Okay, see, automatically it came here B4 colon G11. After that, again we have to give the comma, and observe here very carefully. So here department is there, na? So now you observe department is in number of the column. So your faculty ID is first column and the department is second column. So that's why here we have to give the second. After that, again comma. So here we want approximate match or exact match. See here, two statements are came here, true and false. Approximate match or exact match. So we want exact match. For exact match we have to give the false here. So that's why I'm giving exact match. For exact match it is false there, and close the bracket and press the enter button. Okay, so department is completed. For faculty name also same formula we have to give. Okay, so first of all we have to give the equal sign. After that, just press VL. So automatically complete Vlookup function will display. So for the, after that, just if you want to type, we can type VLOOKUP, but whenever you press here VL, automatically it will come. After that, just press tab button. Okay, with that open bracket it will come. After that, you observe here, so where we are giving faculty ID here in this cell. So that's why first of all we have to click here. After that, give comma. After that, so we have to select all the values here. After that, again comma. Now you observe your faculty name is there, na? So the number of the column, faculty name column, here faculty ID is 1, department it is 2, and faculty name is 3. So here we have to provide 3. Again comma. So here you observe, you want approximate match or exact match. We want exact match. That's why here I am giving FILSC false and close bracket and enter. So like that we have to give same formula for address also. First of all we have to give the equal sign. After that, VL, it will come automatically. After that, press tab button. Okay, so where we are giving the ID, so in that cell we have to click. See here we are giving. After that, comma, select all the values, again comma. Okay, so now here address, column address. So what is the number of column address? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if we are taking from here, means from here we have to count 1, 2, 3 like that. But we have taken from here means 1, 2, 3, 4. Address 4. So we have to type here 4. After that, again comma and false. FALSC false. Close bracket. Enter. So for salary also same formula, is equal to Vlookup. We have to type. Automatically it came. Just press tab button. And where we are giving the faculty ID in this box, give comma and select all the values here. Again comma, and salary is in which column, that means the number of the column, 1 2 3 4 5, fifth column. So give 5 here, again comma, and give FALSC, false, close bracket, and give enter. So for phone number also same formula, is equal to Vlookup. So tab. So here we have to click on this faculty ID. Here we are giving in that cell. So that's why comma, select all the values, again comma, and the last one is phone number is the number of column number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 I am giving. After that false, FALSE. So close bracket and enter. Okay, right, completed. So now we have to observe here. See here. So here in this faculty ID is there. Here I am giving, for example, 106 and press enter button. So whenever I press enter button, all the details of that faculty ID 106 will display here under. See here. So the department Ravi, faculty name Ravi sir, address Hyderabad, salary and phone number. Suppose I am giving 103, enter. See here. Department English Praveen sir, degrees, salary and phone number. Okay. For example, I am giving, see, you observe here, 105 and enter. See here. Department name Hindi, faculty name Rashmi ma'am, address, salary, phone number. So in this way we use Vlookup, vertical lookup in Microsoft Excel. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.